Good day, Orteans. Your lecturer for today is Professor Frederick Rodriguez, top 1 in the October 2005 Criminology's licensure examination. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button to receive the latest updates. Take it away, Fred.
About this one? Tama ba? Okay. Number 4. Organized crime is an illegal activity perpetrated by 3 or more. Ito yun. Okay. 3 or more persons organized over time for the purpose of acquiring profit. So, ang tanong ngayon actually sa history, where does the concept of organized crime emerge? Okay? So, actually, ang organized crime dito, USA, class ha? USA, during the time of Al Capone. Although kilala tong mga triad na to Yakuza, during their time kasi, nung nabuo tong mga to, wala naman tayong konsepto ng organized crime. Actually, ang konsepto ng organized crime, pauso ng United States of America, specifically Federal Bureau of Investigation. Okay, ang Chinese dati hindi nila alam to. Same with Japan. Okay, mga 1930s in the US. Okay, when Al Capone ran Chicago with blood and gun. Okay, so dun sumikat actually yung Thompson submachine gun, yung diplato kung tawagin. Okay, yan ng history. How about this one? In Joseph Albini's patron-client model class, okay, organized crime group is consisting of syndicate in a loose system or power relationship. So at the center of each organized crime unit or family is, take note, at the center, tingnan natin. Okay. So the answer is soldato. Or when you say soldato, Italian term for soldier. Okay? So sila kasi yung tinatawag nilang main enforcer sa tinatawag na patron-client model. Okay? When you say patron-client model kasi ganito, parang merong isang mas malaking tao pero hindi niya totally hawak yung bawat grupo. Let's say ito, group. Okay? Pero sila, itong mga to, kung ito yung boss, nagbibigay lang sila ng tong o kung tawagin ay tribute. Okay? So, sino yung main enforcer ng mga to? Center. Para manatiling malakas, it is the soldiers, enforcers. Okay? Next. The group of highly specialized armed men who inflicts fear. Ito yung ano na tayo. And uses violence to accomplish their objective with a usually international scope. Okay, so ito yung tingnan nito. Fear and violence, usually systematic to. Okay, systematic. Okay, very good. Terrorist group. Okay. Now actually, maraming nagkakamali dito kapag ang isang option ay terrorism. Okay? So, bakit? Ito yung sinasagot nila, terrorism. But we are referring to a group. That's why mas pertinent yung terrorist group. Okay, so tingnan nyo rin maigi yung mga minsan may mga tricky questions kung tawagin din. Now, next. So, which of the following is not? Okay, sasanayin nyo yung mga sarili nyo, mga except na tsaka mga is not. Okay? It's not one of the attributes of organized criminal group. Okay? So, tingnan natin. Ibig sabihin, characteristic o non-ideological da. Hierarchical, may grupo sila. Mayroong mas mataas, mayroong mas mababa. At exclusive membership. So, say for instance, class, yung Chinese triad, usually ang exclusive ang membership niyan. Chinese national or at least may Chinese descent, basta Chinese. Okay? So ito ay attribute ng organized criminal group. This one, dominating. Yes, gusto nila ang territory. Magagaling din, witty, influential, generous contribution to politicians. Actually, yes. Okay, di ba? Para protektahan yung kanilang grupo o naging contributor sila ng mga politicians and others. Self-perpetrating class. Violente. Involved bribery. Panunuhol. Okay? At meron silang sariling kultura or unique subculture. And monopolistic in relation to this one. O, gusto nilang territory nila ay territory nila. But dun sa mga handouts natin kasi class, eto ay wala. Letter B. Ito lang. Alpha, Charlie, and Delta. Okay? Yan. Dito tayo kasi nagkatalo. Although, ang tanong dyan, ay, ginagawa naman talaga nila, but yun ang wala sa handouts natin dun sa mga listahan at kahit saan tayo mag-research. Yun lang naman yun. Parang ano to, a matter of memorization. Then isama nyo na rin din class yung profit. Okay? Attribute niya, main purpose ng criminal group, organized criminal group is to acquire monetary profit. Right? So number 9, which of the following is not one of the categories of organized crime behavior? Kayo ang sumagot, class. Maski hindi kayo nag-review, alam kong kayang sagutin to. Which of the following is not one of the categories of organized crime behavior? Come on, come on. B, matatalas ang mga mata na ito. Minsan ang exam patalasan lang ng mata actually. Okay. Alwin, bakit B? Alwin. O Wilmer, bakit B ang sagot mo? Okay, Odessa naman, 6. Ay, 6 tuloy. C. Come on, come on. Odessa, bakit C? Lian, bakit C? Saka vocabulary na rin to vocabulary. Lian, bakit C? Galata yung Hindi naman ngayon. Kung naman kayo sagot, wala naman nagpapaliwanag. Odessa, balik tayo kay Odessa. Ang tanong kasi, ano ba yung legitimate? What do you mean by legitimate? Kasi po, legitimate yung kanilang goods. So what? Ano ba yung legitimate? Ano yung isa pang term for legitimate? Very good. Legal. So hindi involved ang organized crime sa legal. Okay? Ganun ba yung gustong sabihin? Okay? Mm-hmm. Right, let's go for the answer. Well, walang It should be illegal. Alright, Marvin Cuenca. May nakita si Marvin Cuenca. Di po ba need nila yung parang pang-front nila? Parang sa ano, no? Sa money laundering. O, di ba? Involved ang Pilipinas dyan. Yung legitimate na RCBC, ginawang padaanan ng perang ninakaw galing ng Bangladesh ata, kung matatandaan pa natin. O, legitimate yung bangko, tama? So, kailangan nila. So, ang term nyo dyan, front. Okay. front. Right? Pang-front natin. O kaya yung galing sa weteng, galing sa drugs, ipampatayo natin ng restaurant. O di legal na yon. Tama? Okay? Kasi kung may violence, madali sila masisira. O di ba kung may violence, o pag inaresto mo ang sindikato, papalagyan o kaya gaganti. O di ba? Minsan may mga tinutumbang alagad ng batas ang pinagsusospecha ni sa at least tingnan nga ano yung hindi nyo mga sinagot. Hindi nyo sinagot. O, karamihan sa hindi nyo sinagot is eto. Tsaka yung Bravo. So, ito ay category, provision of illicit good. Illicit means illegal goods. Illegal. O, halimbawa, ano yung illegal goods? Drugs and all that. Okay? Tapos yung illegal firearms. Illegal services naman, o di yung prostitution, o yung pagbebenta ng yung pang-human transplant. Alright? So, kasama rin yan sa isa sa activity nila. Extortion and all that. Yung tignan nyo to, letter A kasi masyadong masyadong generalized as compared dito sa B and C specific. O tama na, violence. Ang tanong, para saan tong strong commitment and determination to get what they want? O pwede nyo sabing money. O yun nga lang masyadong generalized. Unlike sa B, C, and D, it's specific. And actually, ito na yung mga ilan sa characteristics ng organized crime. Okay, yun lang naman yun, class. Okay? So at least, ang point dito ha, ayan, nakuha nyo yung letter C. Okay? So, masyado lang siguro nagmadali yung iba. Pero pag nakita nyo kasi, ayan, conspiracy and penetration of legitimate business. Yes, ginagawa nila yan as front. Okay? Pero kung siguro ay ang sinabi is engage mainly in legitimate business, malamang ito na yung best answer. Right? Sige nga, ito. Synonymous of computer crimes. Iba pang term for computer crimes. Come on. Very good. Okay, very good. Okay, also known as cybercrime. Alright? Now, ang computer crime, hindi porke pinalo mo yung laptop mo dyan sa kaaway mo is computer crime na ha. So, when you say computer crime or cybercrime, usually involves computers and at the same time, syempre, dapat involve ang paggamit ng international network, internet. Okay, internet. Tapos pupunta na tayo sa, and by the way, dito. Current events. Ano yung main law natin ngayon sa computer crimes, main law? Although marami tayo actually yung computer crimes or batas na pwedeng magparusa. Ano yung main law natin sa computer crime? Republic Act, RA. Come on. Yung bagong-bagong batas lang to. Okay? Yung kung tawagin ay anti-cybercrime law. Anyone? Anti-cybercrime law. Anti-cybercrime law. Tandaan. Sino? Nakalimot na. Ito. Malay nyo, okay lang yan pag hindi nyo naalala, sumobra yung unang number mo, Odessa. 10175. Very good. Okay, 10175. Okay? At ang isang ano neto class ang isang salient feature na neto, ito yung okay lang Odessa. Ito yung ito yung batas. No, kauna-unang batas natin na nag-provide ng tinatawag na parusa sa online libel. Okay? But actually, matagal na tayong may class, pwedeng iparusa sa online libel ha. 'Di ba, pag siniraan mo ng puri ang isang tao through Facebook, maski walang 10175, meron pa rin naman tayong libel under the revised penal code. Para lang na-emphasize to. Okay? So kung matatandaan nyo ano ba yung libel? Defamation through media. Publication ng defamation is through media. Ano tong mga to? TV, radyo, dyaryo, okay? Ang Facebook naman is a media along with YouTube and kung ano mang media platform sa website and all that. Okay? Tingnan natin. Taka yung class. And ito. Cybersex. Okay? May yung mga dati. So may idea naman siguro kayo sa cybersex na yung harap sa computer, uutusan ng kung ano-ano. Okay, pero walang contact syempre. Right? Pero punishable. Dati walang maikaso diyan. Ang pwede lang ikaso dati is human trafficking. Okay? Human trafficking, exploitation 'yon. Right? O ngayon, kung involved sa cybersex ang isang negosyo, yung may-ari niyan pwedeng makasuhan ng 10175 at pwede mong isabay itong 9208. Okay, human trafficking. Okay?
If you want to learn more from him, take our Road to 1 Million challenge. If this channel hits 1 million subscribers, we will release the rest of his lectures. Or you can watch the rest of his lectures now by enrolling in Ortea Criminology Review. Just message us on our Facebook account for more details. See you soon, Orteans!